They felt that somebody had to pay for this so that they could shift the blame from the state police not having proper supervision to the trooper saying that he was a rogue trooper and he was out doing this.
Hayden Wilbur admits his paperwork on the 2017 arrest of a woman from Maine was shoddy, but insists he did not lie to investigators. It was that arrest that led to a lawsuit and then a settlement with the state for more than $200,000. The board questioned the department's handling of documentation.
For a trooper to be overwhelmed, it happens every day. I look in my car and I have files stacked up on my passenger seat, and it's stuff that probably should be in a file somewhere.
Wilbur wasn't notified of the lawsuit until 2 years after the arrest of the Maine woman. He testified he couldn't remember a lot of the details, but admits he looked at the woman's phone without permission, admitting he'd done it a handful of times in the past.
I looked in her phone. I clicked on her text messages in order to see if she was involved in drug trade.
Wilbur's lawyers call the cursory peek at a phone harmless if not used as evidence. The Department of Safety says it's an egregious violation of constitutional law and police policy.
Mr. Wilbur admitted to Sergeant Rowe in hindsight that he knew this search was wrong. It wasn't how he was trained and he shouldn't have done it. He knew it was wrong at the time he did it. We know that because he didn't include the information gleaned from his illegal search in his division reports.
The Personnel Appeals Board will reconvene July 6th to deliberate on this case. They plan to render their decision at that hearing. In Concord, Amy Cavino, WMUR News 9.